bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time.
Hey Weston, you want to update the vlog a little bit? Okay, so it's now Thursday and we haven't rode since Sunday, and this is kind of what happened. We debated on going to Florida Tracks and Trails Tuesday, but we were still a little sore from Sunday, so we thought, nah, we'll wait and hit Tampa MX up on Wednesday. So Tampa MX was running 5 to 10 p.m. that night, and we basically sat around all day waiting to leave and go to Tampa MX. And we leave and we get headed that way, and they post on Facebook that they're canceling. I guess just a little too much rain. I've come to find out afterwards that apparently Tampa MX is not sandy like 90% of the rest of the state. It's loamy, and it was gonna be too muddy. So they canceled, screwed our Wednesday. So today's Thursday. We were gonna go up to Spider MX this morning, 2 hours from us. We load everything up, we're headed to Spider MX, and then 15 minutes before they're supposed to open, they post and say that the main track is shut down today because they're getting things ready for the mud bog this weekend, which means we could only ride a turn track and a very small little indoor arena cross style track. So we said screw that, and we came to Hard Rock. Now, I had been to Hard Rock about 15 years ago. I knew it's famous for not being prepped that often, but it is open a lot, and it's kind of how it is today. The dirt is actually not that bad. I could see where it could get pretty bad on some days, but it's not that bad today. So I think we made a good choice. Here comes Krista. Trying to dodge the mud. So we'll probably take tomorrow, Friday, off, and then hit Florida Tracks and Trails on Saturday, and possibly on our last day here, if we feel like it, we may do an early practice at Tampa MX, like 9 to noon or something. So yeah, the weather's great here today though. It's like 75 and sunny, so we're just gonna try to get in a few hours of riding and then head back and relax if this guy cooperates.
multi track. Biggest is 85s that are allowed on that.
like a bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me.